We're always interacting with them in the front of the building here. No problems whatsoever. I think people have strong opinions on what they see.
Supervised consumption sites could soon be housed at 2 of Calgary's homeless shelters. Last May, the UCP government announced it was closing the SafeWorks site at the Sheldon Chumir Centre in favor of opening 2 smaller overdose prevention sites in 2 other locations. Back in June, 19 social service agencies signed a letter calling on the government to move the supervised consumption site from the Sheldon Chumir Centre to existing homeless shelters or near them. In a statement, the province writes, in part, we are working with multiple agencies on proposals for new smaller overdose prevention sites. These operators include the Drop-In Centre and the Alpha House in Calgary and Boyle Street Community Services in Edmonton. The Drop-In Centre says there are no commitments in place with the province. Spokesman Nathan Ross said, we are exploring a recovery-oriented system of care at the Drop-In with the collaboration of other partner agencies such as the Alpha House and the Alex. The Alpha House says it was approached by the government to perform an exploration into the feasibility of operating an overdose prevention site within our facility. Last summer, there were several rallies to try and save the SafeWorks site in the Beltline, a location that had over 53,000 visits in 2020, amidst a rising opioid overdose problem in the city and province. Many supporters said the closure would have negative consequences for clients of the centre and that having one close to the downtown was important. The UCP cited disruptions to the neighbouring Beltline community as one of the reasons to close the site at SafeWorks. We asked people who live and work around the Drop-In Centre how they would feel about the site moving in.
If you move a safe consumption site here, there's going to be more carnage, more fighting, more pick-a-side evil.
I have no issue whatsoever. I mean, the science is in, the data is in. It's fully supported by science and data. I think politics and maybe stigma kind of doesn't make it as welcome as it should be, but we have no issue with it whatsoever.
The province says it will review the proposals from the agencies quickly once they are received. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.